Okay, I found my brakes. The first brakes I was trying to get didn't work out. Me and a friend are going tonight, hopefully, to pick up my new brakes. After that, if I have time, I want to put my steering pump on, my Mark IV steering pump pulley, and then come back or get my Serpentine belt on so I can move on to some other things on the Mark II. So hopefully we can get all that done. Let's do it. So we came up to Kent to pick up my brakes, and this awesome Euro guy's gonna give us a ride in his car. Oh, this is gonna be so fun. I got my camera for it. Huh? Yeah, he's good. So we've just picked up my brakes. What an awesome, awesome guy. Some European dude, old guy. Oh, dude, that was so awesome, man. Oh yeah,
best experience ever.
I mean, that's what I love about this freaking car community, man. When you freaking go up there, you know, if you can tell another person that it's really into cars, like when we showed up, dude, you could tell right away.
He was happy to come out of the house.
He was so excited to tell us about his cars and everything. He took us for a ride. I mean, that was so cool. So, oh, dude, I'm pumped. Let's go eat.
I couldn't believe how hard he was on the car.
Oh, dude.
he
races
giving
it.
his shit. I was like, damn.
All right, just got back home with the brakes. Awesome experience with that old guy. I'm gonna talk a little bit about the spindles that I got and the brakes, and then we're gonna jump on the steering pump. So this is the Mark II spindle over here, and this is my Mark III spindle that I'm upgrading to. The only reason that you need to upgrade the spindles is the Mark II, you can't disconnect the carrier over here to put bigger brakes on. So you have to get this Mark III spindle. I got this out of a 2.0 Mark III, and you can detach the carrier on this one so that you can put bigger brakes on there. And these are the Audi 5000 brakes that I'm going to be using. They're dual caliper, and they bolt right on here. And then for the rotor, I'm going to be using a Corrado G60 rotor, and that's going to be my big brake upgrade. And you know, I got these for I think like, I don't know, 20 bucks each, and then I got them for 50 bucks for both of them. So really awesome deal on those for pretty much a, you know, a big brake kit. I also am upgrading the battery cables to the Mark III battery cables. And then the steering lines, the Mark II steering pump, I need to take off this bracket and it should bolt right up. All I need to change is the wheel. So I finally got the belt on. I had to change the wheel from the Mark II steering pump wheel to the Mark IV steering pump wheel, so the belt is all the same on all the pulleys. If you are like me and you put the engine in without putting it on, the hardest part was getting the getting around the tensioner pulley. So I finally just put it over and around the tensioner pulley first, and then I did this one on the steering pump last, and it was a lot easier. So yeah, I'm glad that's done. I am done for the night. We got the brakes. Meeting that old guy was awesome. Steering pumps on, the Mark IV pulley, got the Serpentine belt on. Hopefully tomorrow I can pick up some gas lines, and then I need the exhaust nuts to hook the downpipe on. Hopefully get that on this weekend. Really appreciate the people that are watching my videos. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time.